won't be silenced, no, the voice came from you.
Welcome, 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 everyone. We are here for a performance, one that seeks to amplify the history of the Old West Side. My family today is the living dream of those who came before us. Our ancestors who planted their roots in Ann Arbor over 120 years ago. We are still here. You see, we are still here, and we still have our home. But many former residents, Black residents who were not allowed to live anywhere else in the city but here because of the color of their skin, they are now displaced. You see, this neighborhood, which is most recently known as the Carytown and the Waterhill neighborhoods, was once a thriving Black community. And now, it is just not the same. You see, this performance is not a historical retelling of the neighborhood that my parents and my grandparents experienced. However, it is creatively inspired by it. And for that, we are all incredibly grateful. So let this performance today be a message to anyone and everyone that can hear it, that we are still here. Let the noise come from here today, because the noise always came from here. The noise came from here.
Scandalous and treachery, pamphlets against the seat, dancer the answer beat, question the session heat, gestures the referee, offside but on the beat, false cries the boss of me, you're not 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 the boss of me, you're just a president, no one elected me, bitch I'm arrested, no I ain't the flow you worship, I ain't the flow you worship, I ain't the flow you worship, I ain't the flow you worship. Between a circle of drums and a constellation, a wireless message in music.